Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. It's been a while guys. I'm so sorry I got so caught up with my work. So today I'm so excited to see you guys again, do another video for you guys. Alright, hope you guys been doing great as usual. Alright, so just want to give you guys today's topic will be more about like remember previously when I bought the I was very excited. I bought the Samsung Tab S7 Plus in hope to replace to replace a laptop. Okay, in terms of a daily usage. After a couple of months, after using that, by the way, if you guys have not checked out my video, do check out my unboxing video of the Samsung Tab S7 Plus. Thank you so much for all the views, alright, all the comments. Love you guys. Okay. So what happened is I slowly realized, okay, that this Samsung Tab S7 that I have here, okay, or a tablet in general, I don't think it can help me to totally replace a laptop. Okay, the crucial reason, okay, is on my based on my usage is saving of files. Okay, and I don't know whether am I doing wrong or I'm really not used to using Android as a laptop, Android tablet as a laptop. But don't get me wrong, guys. This is a fantastic media consumption device, guys. The sound quality is good. The the screen resolution is fantastic, guys. Okay, but okay, I even with a keyboard and a mouse, an external keyboard and mouse, okay, I can't really use it seamlessly compared to a laptop. Okay, even though okay, they have the Samsung DeX function. Okay, and this is Samsung. Okay, and they have this Samsung DeX feature, which put the tablet in the desktop mode, right? But imagine if you are using other tablet, guys. Okay, I'm not sure about Apple, but I'm quite sure that there is some issue. That could be the same experience that I have. That's why uh, I actually considered, I actually purchased, another laptop, okay, today from Best Denki, a gaming, a gaming laptop, okay, and a work and play laptop, okay. It's actually the Lenovo Legion 7, okay. So for the past couple of weeks, I have been having a lot of I did a lot of research, you know, whether is it really, should I go full blown on 3080 mobile version, or should I go for 3070, or should I go for 3060. So I'm the kind of guy that, okay, if you want to get it, just get the best. Okay, so apparently the Lenovo Legion 7, okay, is one of the most um, highly sought after laptops currently. But the the one level below, which is the Legion 5 Pro, which has a is anyway, for Legion 7 and the Legion 7 I got was an AMD CPU platform, and then with a 3080 mobile. The Legion, I nearly went for Legion 5 Pro, okay. So but I feel that, since I'm moving, into laptop gaming, but I do have my own desktop, my own PC, with a 2080 Ti and a 900K. But I just feel that, since I'm going mobile more often, I feel, then might as well I just get, a better one, or the best one, that I can bring out. It's a bit heavy, but I think I still can get it. I still can handle it. So long story short, okay, I hope I'm not being too naggy. I just feel in my own opinion, in my own usage, okay, and probably for those of you guys who are maybe like me, the last time me who thinks that, you know, can a tablet really replace a laptop? I would say no. Okay, because there's quite a few things that is missing, which I feel the user interface could have been better. If laptop tablet market manufacturers, if they want to target laptop users, then I think they will need to do a bit more, like the sniping kind of thing, cut and paste. All these require apps. Okay, and I don't know, I just find it very inconvenient for me, right? I'm not sure how about you guys, but let me know in the comment section below. Have any tablet, okay, successfully, you know, convert you guys, all right, from a laptop user perspective? Okay, let me know your comment down in the comment section below, right? So yeah, long story short, okay, I'm selling off my Samsung Tab S7 Plus. Okay, um, I hope someone bought it. Is going to buy it. It's a very good tablet, by the way. I use it for notes writing. But I think moving forward, I'm going to buy another S Pen. For my S7. Sorry, the Samsung S7 Ultra. I'm going to buy another casing which I can hold the pen here, so I can just scribble here. Yeah, so I think I'm very excited. I'm collecting my Legion 7 tomorrow. From Best Tanky. Alright, I got it at, I think, around 3009, I believe. Right, so I know Lenovo site is cheaper, but unfortunately, I think the way that they are running their website, I think is very complicated. Uh, I think it's they just change as and when they like. Okay, that's my take. After visiting their site for a couple of weeks. Okay, uh, I have seen people who can get like 20% discount, even 40% discount if I'm not wrong. This Legion 7, someone on Reddit got it at 3.2k Sing dollars, guys. Exactly the same spec I have, with 3 years of premium support. Their best support, okay? Warranty, in terms of warranty. So unfortunately, I have to pay another $600 more, $700 more, but no choice, guys. Such is life. But I'm very excited. I'll definitely go and do an unboxing video tomorrow, and then as usual, one unboxing video and then followed by one review. Okay. Just to show you guys what I've found out so far. Okay, so that's all, guys, from me for this video. It's a very short video, although it's not short, it's around 8 minutes, but I just hope that I can give you guys an idea, okay, for whoever of you viewing my video now. Okay, if you guys are thinking of switching, from a laptop to the tablet, hoping that it can change the way that you work, uh, I would say you can still give it a try. But if you need to save files, etc., open up files, Word documents, that kind of stuff, I think it's a little bit inconvenience. Maybe I'm not doing that great, but you guys can still try, okay, and let me know how you feel. Alright, okay, alright, so that's all from me today. Alright, and peace out to you guys, and please stay safe. Okay, have a nice day, guys. Bye.